Now, transport phenomenon rate process. Earlier, this was merged into the thermodynamics part, but in 2021, IIT has separated the syllabus into two parts regarding the importance of the syllabus in the today's world. So, for the momentum transfer part, concept of viscosity, cell balance, Bernoulli's equation, mechanical energy balance, these all the things you will get in the book named by the Gaskell, Fluid Flow by Gaskell. I am having that book. I will provide that the name of the book in the description box. So check the description for the name of the book. I prefer Gaskell for understanding the concepts related to the momentum transfer. All the topics in the momentum transfer will be covered in that book. Apart from that, you will get some numerical problems related to the momentum transfer. GATE will not ask the problems given in the Gaskell because that is of higher level as compared to the problems which are asked in the GATE. But still, if you want to understand the basic concepts, then read the momentum transfer, and that is sufficient for your understanding and solving the problems. Heat transfer, conduction, you just have to understand the basic formulas, the Fourier's law and the conduction, how the formula comes and what is the use of the formula, and you will get applications in the in any mechanical related books. Metallurgy, we do not have any particular special books for the heat transfer, so I prefer read A.K. Rajput, heat transfer by A.K. Rajput, and you will get everything in the heat transfer by A.K. Rajput. So that book is very vast, that is for mechanical students. So I prefer you just understand the basics of the heat transfer, and you just solve the basic problems related to 1D conduction, steady state conduction. You have a bundle of problems in the A.K. Rajput, and that is sufficient for your understanding and for GATE also. You can see the level of the questions in the GATE paper. So according to your suitability, I suggest you that you can look on towards the A.K. Rajput for your understanding the concepts and for solving the numericals. Now the convection. The convection is also given in the A.K. Rajput. You can watch that book, you can understand the concepts, basic concepts, and you can solve the numericals. Radiation is also given in the A.K. Rajput. Now let's come towards the mass transfer. The mass transfer contains diffusion and Fick's law, mass transfer coefficients. This is a part of physical metallurgy, I say, because the basic problems they are going to ask, the problems which they ask in the GATE, that will be related to the concepts given in the Calister. So you just have to understand the basic concepts of diffusion and basic concepts of Fick's law, the derivation, how it comes, and what is the role of and what are the limitations of Fick's law. So that is sufficient. And if you want to understand the problems, then I prefer read Calister chapter 5, the diffusion. Everything will be covered. Everything related to the diffusion will be covered in this chapter. And mass transfer coefficient is something different, and you can see the formula from internet, or you can see the formula from A.K. Rajput, and you will understand the concept related to the mass transfer coefficient. But they will ask very brief, very basic problems related to mass transfer coefficient. Even if you have just copied the formula, understood the formula, you will be able to solve the mass transfer coefficient related problems. The dimensional analysis part, you can prefer the A.K. Rajput, mass transfer by A.K. Rajput. You will get every dimensionless numbers like Buckingham theorem and everything. You just have to list out the formulas which will be useful to the metallurgical related field, like steel making and steel making. We have steel making only to deal with the process metallurgy. So what are the formulas, what are the dimensional numbers which will be useful related to the steel making? You have to think about it. You have to list the dimensionless numbers and just note down the dimensional numbers and just understand the concept that what is the significance of it. That is important, and you will get all this in A.K. Rajput part. Now chemical kinetics. You can see that this chemical kinetics, all the syllabus of this chemical kinetics is the syllabus related to the class 12. If you watch any videos related to the class 12, even if you study the NCERT, the chapter given in the NCERT of the class 12 book, then you will get sufficient knowledge, and you can see the previous year papers also. The questions will be very simple, and if you understood the first order reaction basics from the class 12, then that is sufficient to solve the numericals. So I prefer you just go through any videos available in the YouTube related those for class 12 teaching. That is sufficient. This oxidation kinetics part, this oxidation kinetics is related to the corrosion, like parabolic laws, logarithmic laws, linear laws. What is the use of it? How it comes? And if you read the Calister, the chapter number 17, for the corrosion, chapter number 17 for the corrosion in the Calister, then you will understand the oxidation kinetics and the basics of the corrosion, and the whole oxidation kinetics, and the numericals also related to the oxidation kinetics will be given in the Calister. And now the electrochemical kinetics, polarization is also part of corrosion, and it will be given in the same chapter number 17 of the Calister. Now the extractive metallurgy and mineral processing part. If you see the combination techniques, size classification, cross rotation, gravity, mineral verification, this everything will be given in the mineral ore verification. This is comes under the topics of mineral ore verification. I think many metallurgical students in their second year, they must have undergone this syllabus. They must have studied this syllabus. Even if they have not studied, I prefer mineral verification by BA Wills. Mineral verification by BA Wills, and you will get a knowledge, basic knowledge about all the topics. Note down the details and understand the things, you will get basic some 1 to 2 question in the gate related to this concept, and that is sufficient if you understand the basics. Agglomeration, sintering, pelletization, and briquetting. This is a part of iron making. So I prefer Tukari for iron making. In Tukari for iron making, they have chapters dedicated to the sintering, pelletization, and briquetting in under the topics of the charge preparation for the blast furnace. So you will get the concepts in that book. And material energy balances. This is a part of mass balance. I prefer you watch NPTL videos, or you have a book for this mass balance by thermodynamics by S.K. Datta, I think. So you will get knowledge about the mass balance. Or you prefer, my suggestion is to just go through the NPTL lectures by Professor S.C. Korea. Here he has covered everything related to the mass balance in very advanced level. So you will understand everything. And principles related to non-ferrous extraction. This is the most famous topics, and the most famous book is the H.S. Ray, Principles of Non-Ferrous Extractive Metallurgy by H.S. Ray. If you go through the H.S. Ray, you will get very brief idea about the extraction of aluminum, copper, and titanium. Now, iron and steel making. For all the iron and steel making part, up to from this part to this part, continuous casting, complete iron and steel making, I suggest you that go through the iron and steel making by Ahindra Ghosh. This is a combined book for the iron and steel making, and this book is so famous that even MTech students study this book for understanding the concept, for understanding the knowledge of steel making in depth level, and that is very preferred book, and it is universally accepted in India. This book is the very best book for the GATE, and even every year the questions come from the Ahindra Ghosh. So just go through the concepts even in the Ahindra Ghosh. You have some problems related to the iron making and steel making. You can solve that. You will understand the concepts related to the primary steel making, iron making, steel making. Do not skip any chapter in the steel making part. You can skip the process dynamics, that is too difficult, but read everything in that book, and that is sufficient for the GATE preparation. Thanks for watching the video. Just do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for continue watching the more videos. We will be uploading shortly.